Hello, welcome back to a new review, a new unboxing. Today we're going to unbox the DragonPad pop filter. Let's do the unboxing. The pop filter is just a piece like that with the screen on top. It will prevent the blowing in the microphone. So we can attach it to any microphone, almost any microphone, especially to this Blue Yeti microphone. So let's install it. Okay. Alright, the pop filter is installed. You put it like that. Alright, like that. So then we'll try it a test. Hello. Also, I also bought for very cheap price this headphone Sennheiser for $20 because every radio DJ needs headphone. Okay, so this is Sennheiser HD202. It's a little plastic looking, but also they are quite cheap because I have the Bose, but I didn't want to spend another $200 for the Bose. I leave the Bose at work. The cable seems very generous. Okay, let's do a demo. Okay, so today we are here for this review. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this review. Again, the pop filter protects and eliminates the popping sound caused by the mechanical impact of air on the microphone. This on the left is without the pop filter. Welcome everybody in this review of the pop filter. Now we are going to test the microphone with the pop filter. Okay, so you can see here, of course it can be different. Maybe I was more loud here than here, but you can see here it's like going in the red zone and yellow zone, and you see like a pop, like hair too of the pop filter. Instead here is more soft, and also the voice is little more smooth. With the pop filter. Now we are going to test the microphone with the pop filter. Welcome everybody in this review of the pop filter. Now we are going to test the microphone with the pop filter. So it seems better. So anyway, we'll try in my next episode of Mirko Jack's Radio USA on WKGCFROPQIN. Okay, see you next time for next review. Check in the description for the link where you can buy a pop filter.